Bluestone is certified by BIS. It's hallmark jewelry. You get 14 carat, you get 18 carat, you get 22 carat, you get diamond. And again, in diamond also there are three versions of diamond. There are Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Glitters World, and my name is Chumki. So I'm back with another jewelry purchase with Bluestone. So this is my first time I have purchased something from Bluestone. I have done a shopping with Carrot Lane. If you are really interested to watch, I will link in I button. You can watch that. And I'm here to give my honest review, the offers, the quality, if is it safe to buy from Bluestone or not. If you're really interested, then keep on watching. So during this lockdown period, I have taken a couple of things from online. We all know that gold price is hiked like anything this year. It has broken all the records. So right now it's something like I think 48,000 something for 10 gram. Because in online, what offers you get, it's really great. You won't get those kind of offers in the store. So talking about Bluestone, I have received my order, and this is how the package is. This is a sleek blue color, and this is magnetic. So this is the product inside, how it is. And I have ordered a bangle come bracelet. You can say it's a very lightweighted one. And with this, I did receive the paper invoice. So it includes everything here and here, and they have clearly mentioned everything, the promise, the actual, the difference. If you have ordered something and if there's a slightly change in the gold weight, they will return your money also. So I got some 100 rupees or 136 in my account because I made a card payment. So they will give you all the details in the bills, so you can check. My bangle net weight was I think 6 gram 38 6.38, yeah, and I paid 29,980. So Bluestone was that time running a great offer during lockdown period. They were running 0% making charges off. So yes, that was the reason I ordered actually from Bluestone. So I have done I think two videos on Carrot Lane where 20% off was there in diamond jewelry. So I ordered from them, and those are like very lightweighted jewelry. But Bluestone does run some really great offers. You keep checking them. They have the app you can install in your phone, and you can keep checking that they run sometimes 0% making charges off. So there's no making charges, and you just pay the gold or the diamond price, that's all. So and the GST. So that was the reason I was tempted to buy, because I really wanted to buy a diamond bracelet kind of thing. So I'm gonna show you the product. With that receipt, you will get this certification also. So this is how my product is. This is all the details. The gold is 18 carat. It has diamond. The diamond purity is SI. Everything. The net weight is, and it has 8 natural diamonds. So everything is mentioned here. So you need to keep this card with you lifetime. Whenever if you feel like exchanging the gold with Bluestone, or you want to repair something, if you don't carry that invoice, that's fine, because this holds everything. Every detail is mentioned. A package, I did receive this kind of booklet also. Here they have mentioned their gold scheme also. You can plan in advance for every occasion with a gold mine 10 plus 1 monthly plan. So you have to pay 10 months, and I think 10 months, yeah, you have to pay your installment 10 months, and the 11th month installment would be paid by Bluestone. So I think it is very common. You get it, these kind of plans in Tanishq or any PC jewelers. Every jewelers has this. So this is the plan. So you can start with 500,000 whatever, and the last month installment would be paid by the Bluestone itself. And now Bluestone is giving you great discount. It is running anniversary sale. So anything you buy 10,000 worth, I think you will be getting 1,000 direct off. So if you really want to gift something, you can check. And here in this down, they have mentioned the locations of the Bluestone. So it has in New Delhi, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mohali, Chandigarh, Guwahati, Pune, Gurugram, Navi Mumbai and Bangalore. So I stay in Bangalore. I haven't visited Bangalore store because I do online only, and now it's locked down. So I really wanted to grab this opportunity to buy because 0% making charge makes a great difference. So now I'm gonna show you my product. So this is in package of rose gold dusted pink, and this is the bracelet. It's a very pretty, as I said, it's very, I think it's not that thin also, but it is very nice. Let me just zoom you guys in. So this is the 8 diamonds surrounded. This is like a small flower, and this is the width of the bangle. I think I have taken 2.4 because my wrist is very small. So this is how it is. It is a daylight, so I don't think it will shine that way, but yeah, this is how it is. And this, you can just open it like so, and you just again put it inside, and this is how it is locked. Not sure how far it is catching. Now the diamond quality, the price of any of the gold when you buy diamond jewelry, it depends on the clarity or the purity of diamonds. So I've taken the basic one, the SI variety. There are VIS, VVS. So the more higher version you will go for the clarity of diamond, the cost will go up. So I've taken the basic one. It really give a decent shine, and I'm not really that fan of diamond. Like, I'm fine if I get the basic one also. But in the app you can see any jewelry you order, if you want to take the highest clarity of the diamond, I think that is VVS or VIS. So S1 is the very basic one, and app, and you can order accordingly. You can customize your diamond clarity there. So this is how it is, and I'm gonna wear it. So this is how it is looking on my wrist. So this, it can go till here, and yeah, for daily wear or occasional wear, I feel it's very pretty. It is very sleek one, and I really like the design. I am planning to buy more whenever they go 0% making charge off. I feel like buying these kind of bangles because I really like. And this was 29,000. I have seen really great bangles in the same design, so that was like 25,000, 21,000. So I would highly recommend you guys to, and whenever they go for 0% jewelry. So this is how the app is right now. Its 9th anniversary celebration is going on, and you have varieties of designs in 22 carat, in 18 carat, depending on your occasion, your need. You'll get the lightweight jewelry also. And first thing is, Bluestone is certified. It is certified by BIS Hallmark, and this is, the finance has been backed up by Ratan Tata. It is, all the Bluestone jewelries are certified, and you get the very transparent bill and everything, and you do have a good days for returning. Lifetime you can exchange your jewelry with Bluestone. So pretty much what other stores gives you the option of return policy or the exchange policy, pretty much Bluestone gives the same kind of facility. In fact, I don't think in any physical store you get 0% making charges off, which Bluestone very occasionally they do give this offer also to the customers, where you can buy your jewelry at 0% making charges off. Now those are only selective designs. So on this like on this category of filter, the 0% making charges were there, so I like this one and I purchased it. And I feel really worth buying this, because around if you buy something around 30,000, easily 7 to 8,000 will be a making charge. Yeah, it is a good buy. And you can go to your local store if you have so much of doubt regarding your online purchase. Anytime you can visit to your local store and get checked by them, either the diamond is correct or the gold is correct. So this is 18 karat gold. And I have got few questions. A lot of people ask me offline also and online also, saying that how come online when we buy it is so cheap compared to the store one. So people have this doubt that buying online jewelry is fake or real. So first thing is, like, anytime you are buying any site, gold jewelry, whether it's a Tanishq or Kalyan, or there are many, there are Bluestone, CaratLane, there are many jewelers. Anytime you are buying online jewelry, because they give really great offers when you buy online, you can get the product and go to your any of the local store of gold jewelry का दुकान जो होता है, you go any of the store, वहाँ पे जाके आप चेक करा लो कि if the gold is correct, if it says 18 कैरेट, क्या ये 18 कैरेट है, और डायमंड्स भी प्योर डायमंड है. ऑब्वियसली प्योरिटी में डिफरेंस होता है, बट डायमंड के प्राइसेस भी उसी तरह वैरी करते हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द क्लैरिटी एंड कैरेट ऑफ डायमंड. तो आप किसी भी लोकल स्टोर में वो चेक करा सकते हैं. दूसरी पॉइंट है कि बहुत लोग ये पूछते हैं कि हम स्टोर पे लेते हैं तो वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होता है. यही बैंगल अगर आप स्टोर पे लोगे तो बहुत महंगा मिलेगा. इट्स अबाउट 6.38 grams. सो आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट वन पॉइंट हियर. ये 18 कैरेट है, ये 22 कैरेट नहीं है. देयर इज़ अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन 18 कैरेट एंड 22 कैरेट. नॉर्मली आप जब भी किसी स्टोर में जाते हो, आप जब गोल्ड ज्वेलरी खरीदते हो तो वो 22 कैरेट का ही होता है. एंड 22 कैरेट में ज़्यादा डिज़ाइंस नहीं आते हैं इफ़ यू वांट टू बाई अ डायमंड ज्वेलरी. सो वो डिज़ाइंस नहीं आते हैं, तो मोस्टली इट विल कम ईदर 18 कैरेट और 14 कैरेट. आई वोंट रिकमेंड एनीबडी कि 14 कैरेट का खरीदो, बिकॉज ओवर द टाइम उसमें क्योंकि उसमें दूसरे मेटल्स भी यूज़ होते हैं टू मेक इट स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड दैट्स वाई 14 कैरेट्स आर वेरी वेरी इनएक्सपेंसिव कंपेयर टू 18 कैरेट और 22 कैरेट. तो आई वोंट रिकमेंड 14 कैरेट, क्योंकि थोड़े टाइम के बाद उसकी कलर थोड़ी सी डिस्कलरेशन होने लगती है. बट 18 कैरेट में ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, बिकॉज अगर आपके डायमंड को होल्ड करना है तो वो 18 कैरेट में अच्छे से होल्ड होता है. otherwise what will happen that 22 carat में you cannot have those sleek designs, and so much of molding and bending will not happen, because 22 carat is very soft gold, so you cannot do a lot of designing with that. That is the only person when you buy diamond jewelry, it is mostly in 18 carat. तो अगर आप 18 कैरेट की ज्वेलरी और 22 कैरेट की ज्वेलरी को कंपेयर करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली 22 कैरेट इज समथिंग रनिंग 48,000 सम चेंजेस, एंड 18 कैरेट इज समथिंग 36 to 37,000 सम चेंजेस. सो हियर इटसेल्फ द गोल्ड वैल्यू इज़ अ ड्रास्टिक डिफरेंस. यहाँ पर आपकी डायमंड की भी वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंड करती है उसके कैरेट और उसके क्लैरिटी पे. अगर आप बेसिक जैसे SI क्लैरिटी लेते हो तो उसकी प्राइस बहुत ही कम होती है टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल जो आपका VVS है या VIS है, आप ऐप में देख सकते हो. सो देयर आर चेक्स ऑफ क्लैरिटी, देयर आर लेवल्स ऑफ क्लैरिटी. आप जितनी ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी वाला डायमंड लोगे उतनी ज़्यादा उसकी प्राइस अप होते जाएगी. सो दिस इज़ एज आई सेड, ये द बेसिक वन है. तो आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम विद दिस बिकॉज इट हैज़ प्रीटी मच गुड शाइन टू इट, एंड मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है. आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ डायमंड कि मुझे बिल्कुल टॉप नॉच वाला क्लैरिटी वाला डायमंड चाहिए, नहीं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न. इसीलिए व्हेन यू बाई ऑनलाइन, और अगर आप मोस्टली देखोगे ऑनलाइन ज्वेलरी में मोस्टली दे सेल 18 कैरेट और 14 कैरेट. इसलिए आपको लगता है कि स्टोर में ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है, ऑनलाइन में भी इट्स फेक. इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक कि ऑनलाइन फेक होता है. इट जस्ट ऑनलाइन में मोस्टली यू विल गेट द ट्रेंडी एंड लाइट वेटेड ज्वेलरी. अभी अगर आपको चेक करना है ब्लू स्टोन में, इफ़ यू सी इन एनी ऑफ द साइट व्हेन यू कंपेयर द 22 कैरेट गोल्ड, आपको 22 कैरेट गोल्ड में ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं होता है. मोस्टली उसमें कोई डिस्काउंट होता ही नहीं है. 22 कैरेट विल हैव 22 कैरेट गोल्ड का जो भी आप लोगे, प्लस उस पर मेकिंग चार्जेस भी होंगे. यू विल नॉट, इवन इफ़ यू wanted to buy or wanted to shop online 22 कैरेट गोल्ड, आपको कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलता है. बट अगर आप 18 या 14 कैरेट लेते हो तो ही आपको डिस्काउंट मिलता है, लाइक 20% और 25% चार्जेस ड्रॉप होते हैं, या फिर मेकिंग चार्ज में 50% ऑफ होता है. सो बिकॉज डायमंड एंड द गोल्ड वैल्यू इट बिकम्स लेस कंपेयर टू 22 कैरेट, एंड डायमंड में भी एज आई सेड क्लैरिटी पे वैल्यू का वो होता है, तो प्राइस होता है, सॉरी. सो दैट इज़ हाउ. सो ये सिर्फ 18 और 14 कैरेट में ही मिलता है. इफ़ यू बाई 18 और 14 कैरेट ज्वेलरी, गोल्ड ज्वेलरी विद डायमंड, यू विल गेट बेटर ऑफर इन ऑनलाइन. 22 कैरेट में मैंने दोनों में ही देखा है, कैरेटलिन में भी देखा है, ब्लू स्टोन में भी देखा है, दोनों में ही कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं होता है. एंड आई फील कि अगर मुझे 22 कैरेट का लेना है तो दैट हैज़ टू बी हैवी ज्वेलरी, तो वो मैं स्टोर से लूँगी. दिस आर लाइक वेरी स्लीक, लाइक डायमंड का ईयरिंग और नोज पिन और स्टड और simple rings. So those kind of things you can buy online because you get a really good discount. That is how I approach to online stores. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस गाय. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड फाउंड इट इन्फॉर्मेटिव. अगर आपके और भी कोई क्वेश्चन है प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. आई होप दैट आई हैव क्लियर्ड ऑल द डाउट्स, क्योंकि मुझे कुछ कमेंट्स आए थे मेरे प्रीवियस कैरेट लेन हॉल पे, सो आई वांटेड टू आंसर दैट. And if you still have any doubts, please feel free to comment down in comment section. You can follow me in my Instagram and you can connect me with there also. With that, I end today's video. I'll see you super soon.